Alright, now that we're in the main menu, after setting your denomination and your max withdrawal, we're going to enter our master keys. But before we do that, we're just going to go enter our settlement. And we're going to go to add cash just so we have some cash in there, just so it doesn't go into out of service mode. So we go to set cassette 1, and we'll just say add 10 bills. So we have $20 denomination, so it'll be $200. That looks good to me. Cancel to return to our main menu. So we have our 10 bills there, so your machine won't go into out of service mode. And now we're going to go ahead and enter our master keys. So we'll go to host setup, key management, and it is going to ask you for your password. The factory passwords for key management, password 1 is going to be 61. So we'll do 1 2 3 4 5 6, and password 2 is going to be 6 2s. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And you do want to change those passwords because those are the factory passwords. So after you do that, you're going to want to make sure your key mode is TDES, and then we're going to want to go ahead and add our keys. So we're going to go to edit key, and then we're going to go to master key A, and then it's going to ask us to input our index. So we'll go 0 1, enter, and now that we have our master key set, is your defcba is on your keypad right here. So your master keys are going to look something like this, and it will have random numbers and letters, and those correlate to your machine. So we'll do 5 7 1 5 7 3 1 9, and then we'll do B F 6 D, and we'll do D FF 7. And do take your time with this, because if you mess up, you will have to go back and restart. And we'll do 8 0 A B 3 7 4 5 0 B 2 F 6 8 5 E, and then 948D, and we'll make sure that looks right on here. 948D looks good to me. So then you click enter to return, and we'll click master key B, and then we'll do the same thing. 0 1 enter, and we'll go ahead and go find our master key B, and we'll go ahead and enter our master keys. So we'll go 5 8 EA 7 9 C 8 F B B C 4 9 B F F 2 D 3 B F 7 9 9 1 B C D A E 3 E 2 4 F, and we have E 2 4 F, and we'll click enter, and then we'll click cancel. And then we do want to make sure that the combined matches. So ours is A021. So then you're going to go to check key, and right here we have A021. That looks good to me. And then we'll go ahead and cancel to return. Cancel to return one more time. Cancel to return. Now your machine is all set for you. So once you hook it up to the internet, it will power on and go to your loading screen.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.